Math Made Easy with Frida. Today we're going to learn how to solve number system series as you see on the screen, which are usually found in Olympiad Mathematics exams. So let's start with the first one. We have here 1 over 3.5. Let's make it clear. This point means multiply. We have 3 times 5, 5 times 7, 7 times 9, 9 times 11, and so on to 13 times 15. And we want to know what is the sum of the series. And you could see here that it has a sequence. We have a 3 and a 5, then we have 5 and 7, then we have 7 and 9. There's a sequence being followed. Let us see the difference. Hold on. First point you have to find is the difference between the two numbers. We see here the difference is 2. Here the difference is 2. It's a common difference that goes across. So keep that in mind. The first thing is the difference, which we write here. Difference is equal to 2. And we need to know the first number and we need to know the last number. All right. There are two ways to solve this. Let's do the first way. Okay. The first way is you would take 1 over the difference, which was 2, and then we multiply by 1 over the first number minus 1 over the last number. This would be equal to 1 over 2 into 4 over 15, which works out to 2 over 15. This was method 1, but I prefer using method 2, which is a much easier way of doing this. Okay, let me go through method 2. In this method, we need to know the number of terms. The number of terms here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's going to be your numerator. And for the denominator, we need to know the first number multiplied by the last number, and that's it. You get your answer. This cancels out and you get 2 over 15, which was the same answer we worked out over here. So let's go through this one more time. We need to know the number of terms as a numerator, divide by the first number, multiply by the last number. All right, now let's try this method out with these two examples. Okay, first let's get the number of terms here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 terms. 6 here. The first term is 2. The last term is 20. And we get 3 over 20 as your answer. Very simple. It's a very good trick to remember. Let's do the next one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms over the first number, which is 1, into the last number, 21, which gives me 5 over 21. As easy as that, very good math trick to remember. Let's do another one. What if we have numbers like 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12 and so on to 1 over 72? What is their sum? Now here, just looking at numbers, you can see here that they form a sequence like 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4, 4 into 5, 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, and 8 into 9. You can see they form a sequence just like in the previous question. So now since you recognize the sequence, we'll plug in the same formula. We need the number of terms first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 terms. The first number is 1 and the last number is 9. And voila, we have it. It's 8 over 9. Let's do one more for practice. What if we have this sequence of numbers? Let's try to decipher what the numbers would be down here. This would split into 5 into 6, 6 into 7, 7 into 8, 8 into 9, 9 into 10, 10 into 11, and 11 into 12, right? Let's see how many numbers we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 number of elements. Divide by the first number, which was 5, into the last number, which is 12, and we get 7 over 60 as your answer. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to practice every day, please subscribe to my channel as I post every day. Till next time, have a nice day.